A healthcare survey is a tool used to gather information about healthcare experiences, satisfaction, and preferences from patients, healthcare providers, or the general public. These surveys are typically administered through various methods, such as paper questionnaires, online surveys, or phone interviews. Healthcare surveys can cover a wide range of topics such as patient satisfaction, healthcare access, healthcare utilization, quality of care, health outcomes, and patient demographics. The results of healthcare surveys are used to improve healthcare services and better understand the needs and preferences of patients and healthcare providers. Healthcare surveys are commonly used by healthcare organizations, hospitals, clinics, and government agencies to identify areas for improvement and track performance over time. Below are some healthcare practitioners who can use this printable healthcare survey: physicians, nurses, physical therapists, home healthcare providers, behavioral healthcare providers, and hospital administrators. To use our healthcare survey, follow these steps. Download our free healthcare survey from off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, introduce the healthcare survey. Explain to the patient that you will be surveyed to assess their experience with the healthcare facility and provider. Provide them with a copy of the healthcare survey and explain how to fill it out. Next, ask the patient to fill out their information. This includes their name, age, gender, date of birth, height, weight, ethnicity, primary language spoken, education level, and the name of their healthcare provider. Next, ask the patient to answer the first 5 questions regarding the quality of care they receive. These questions assess how easy it was to schedule an appointment, if the healthcare provider listened carefully to the patient, the quality of care received, patient satisfaction with the care provided, and if the healthcare provider explained the medical condition and treatment plan in a way that the patient could understand. Next, ask the patient to answer the following 5 questions regarding the facility and staff. These questions assess the cleanliness of the facility, if the staff treated the patient with courtesy and respect, if the patient was seen promptly, if their medical history and personal information were kept confidential, and if the facility provided adequate resources and accommodation for their needs. Have the patient answer the questions regarding their overall experience. Lastly, follow up with the patient. Have the patient answer the final 3 questions regarding follow-up care. These questions assess if the patient was provided with clear instructions for follow-up care. Here is a sample of our healthcare survey from our Carepatron platform. To find our healthcare survey, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.